Hi folks, long time since I put a video up. I'm going to be camping in the woods with Fergus and my daughter. So the sun's going down, it's late in the afternoon. We're going to get in the woods somewhere and get our tent set up. We're going to be using the teepee tent, and I'll let you have a look once we're set up. So we're just about cut off the path. There's a wee trail leads up through here, and I'll be glad to get this off my back, because when you go camping with a kid and a dog you have to carry so much. It's a beautiful night though, it'll be dark soon, so we're going to get set up. We're going to give Fergus to walk, although he's taking himself for a walk just now. Fergus, and we'll get set up. So we're just about to set up the tent. We've actually got a little den there with a fireplace, a wee shelter we made. So we'll get the tent set up, we'll give Fergus a little walk, and then we'll have a wee fire beside our little shelter, and that'll be us ready, because it'll be dark soon. It's not the warmest tent, but it is only October. We've got good enough sleeping bags. I think we'll be fine. Will we be fine?
I'll be fine.
You'll be fine.
Yeah, you look like a ninja.
Ninja top.
Woo! Done it.
Tent's up. Fairly cheap teepee tent from, I think it was Mountain Warehouse. You know, nothing but the best. Tara's just about to do the comfort test, and we'll find out what our verdict is. How is it? Yeah. This tent never seems to sit looking nice and neat. You move things about, change where pegs go, but there's always that bit of the lean on the side of it there. But we'll be fine. We'll be fine. Tira is just blowing up our airbed just now. We'll have a nice comfy night. Because the ground's a bit uneven, the tent looks a bit out of shape. I'm going to put something under the pole in the middle, which will lift its height up a bit, and I'll tighten everything up.
The bed's blowing up and it looks really comfy, and I hope you have a warm night.
So we'll have the tent set up. We'll need to make some adjustments when we get back, because the ground isn't completely level. It looks a bit higgledy-piggledy, as they say. But we'll get that sorted out. We just need to raise the pole in the middle of the tent up a wee bit higher. And that'll be fine. We'll just give Fergus a little stretch of the legs, and we'll get back, we'll have some food, and we'll have a wee fireplace beside our shelter, and yeah, it'll be good. Nice and cosy, and won't be long till we start hearing the owls, maybe the roe deer barking away through the night, so it should be good. So we're heading back to the tent now. Quite dark in there, hopefully we'll find it. And we're going to get a wee fire going at our little shelter. We made a raised fireplace there, so the fire is off the ground, so it'll all be nice and safe. And then we can eat some sweeties, yeah?
Yeah, and we also made the fireplace out of wet mud, pretty much.
Yeah, and stones.
And it looks like clay, so it was really cool. Fun.
Okay. So we've got the fire started. We're ready to have something to eat for our tea, and then we'll have some snacks. There's a bit of a pest to get started. A lot of the wood's wet, but we got there eventually, and it's up there off the ground in our fireplace that's been here for, must be about 3 years now. We're beside our little shelter that we made a while ago. Nice if it's raining, you want to keep dry, but tonight we're sitting by the fire. And now it's time for
food!
So that's us back at the tent now. We're going to get cozied up in our sleeping bags and eat too much sugary treats probably. And hopefully get a good sleep. And we'll speak to you in the morning.
And a cozy sleep.
Yeah, it will be. Good night.
Night night.
Okay, so we're running a bit of a problem. The airbed burst. Suspect it was the dog's claws. Went through it. It's kind of funny because we were just lying on the bed and we heard a sound. That was it, the bed's gone. If it had been on my own, I'd have probably just folded it up and used it as like a roll mat and roughed it, but you know, it's not just me here. It'd be a cold night for Tira, it'd be a cold night for Fergus because he's not really got the thickest hair. So we're heading back to the van, but it's a beautiful night. It's not too late. Sky's beautiful. We're back on the main track, heading back, so we're going to save messing about in the dark. We've got most of our gear, we've left the tent. We're going to come back tomorrow and get the tent and the burst airbed. So that's that. Here we are back at the woods then, come to collect our tent. See, it kind of all went wrong last night with our airbed disaster. But it's a nice day. We're glad to be out. We're glad to be out.
Yeah. We're in the woods now and we're going back to the campsite where the tent was.
We'll get this tent put away, and the moment we have a wee sweetie in the shelter.
Yeah. So let's get right to it.
Go for it. Show you what happened to the airbed. One of these bits just went pop. We were sitting on the bed, wait to have some snacks, and we just heard sss. Oh no, and that was that. So that'll be for the bin. I'll find one.
Well, Fergus, my dog, likes to look for truffles and eat them. And that is pretty much a round ball with mud in it. Hey Dad.
Yeah.
Loves eating them. So
Okay.
I try and take them off and just make them all up because they're really cool. Right, Dad, to the den.
Yeah.
With a beautiful fireplace.
Okay. You going in getting a sweetie? Oh, the gates fell down.
Here's the door. We have a vampire sign and a werewolf sign.
Keep the bad people away. Scare them away.
Yeah.
And you're forgetting someone. Sticky. Sure, who'd I think?
Hello.
Who's in the hut?
It's me. So now I'm going to show you what it looks like inside our little hut. So here we have the table, little tiny table, and here is the window. Good view outside. And here is the door. So we're gonna go outside and walk around. So there's a good fence and everything. And my dad made this a wee while ago. So and we come here a lot. So yeah, it's really fun. And here's the door again, the little door that'd go over it. And in here we have Fergus and Dad, and my food, which I picked, some Skittles. I got 6.
Good, good. Try again.
Last chance.
Nice.
Again. 6. This time I have it. 4. Just a 4. Right, now Dad's way to have his shot.
Oh,
So close.
you need to teach me how to do it properly, Pop.
Here he goes, second try.
Oh. You get a point for hitting the ground.
You get 1 point.
Ooh.
What point did he get? He got just a
Right on
5.
5, I'll take that.
That was real good.
So that's us heading back now. Maybe let me get a full camp video of the first airbed. Probably would have been a long night. Well, it was on road in between, like. That's just how it goes, fortunately, but we're too far away from the van or homes. That's a big problem, still a good wee adventure. And it gave us an excuse to come back out today and do some walking, playing.